This brand is assembled in the USA by Climate Master for Heat Controller, which is a part of Mars. The units feature intelligent controls with a gateway to display operational and diagnostic data on a communicating thermostat. They have two-stage scroll compressors as well as a variable speed fan and loop pump for added energy savings and durable stainless steel drain pans that eliminate the problem of rust. They offer an option where all of the water circulation components are built into the unit so it is easier to install. The units are backed by a good guarantee, but they are only sold through authorized dealers in the USA. They use R-410A refrigerant, which is not as environmentally friendly as brands that use R-32, and they only use standard 1-inch filters which do not do as good of a job as brands that use 2-inch. The E-Series models have a 21.7 ER efficiency and are for either upflow or horizontal installation, while the HZ-Series models can also be installed in downflow applications and have a 26.4 ER efficiency.